we got credible intelligence that 3 buses are coming into the state loaded with men and dangerous weapons. So we laid siege on the road, and eventually the 3 buses came at about 1:32 a.m. on Thursday. So we pursued the buses. 2 of them escaped. We eventually were able to apprehend one. After tailing him for about 40 kilometers, he was able to cross 4 barriers because we actually called our men at our various control points, and he scaled the barricades until he got to Ondo town, where the road was solidly blocked, and they came out. So upon investigation, they claimed that the vehicle was loaded with people and weapons, and that they were mere drivers and conductor. They don't know who actually loaded them, but when we opened the sack, we found guns in the tiger nuts inside the bag. We find over 500 different types of of knives, swords, knives, cutlasses, arms, charms, and a lot of things in their load. So we intend to take them to court immediately after investigation is concluded.
It's a very bad scenario, but we thank God that for Amatekun to have intercepted them, because whoever that come with this all the way from north doesn't mean peace at all. And you can really see the all of the same level. Why that? Why that? It's very, at this time around, and all these are poisonous knives. What is their mission? To come and do what? So we thank God that they are being apprehended.
Yeah.